Hi, I'm Shamika T. Askew with the Law Office of Shamika T. Askew, located in Brandon, Florida. So today I want to talk about just a general topic, and that general topic is this. I highly recommend that you, yes, you who are watching this, start thinking about budgeting for attorney's fees. Now, why do I say that? If you are a financial person and you like to see where your monies are spent on a monthly, weekly, yearly basis, you probably like budgets. And if you like budgets, I would encourage you to add a line item for attorney's fees. And this is why I say that. There are a number of times, too many times that I can recall, that people end up in court and they need attorneys and they never thought that they would need an attorney. And what's really sad is that they call around, they're shopping around for attorneys, trying to figure out who's going to be the least expensive because they quite frankly don't have the money to hire an attorney. So I say that to say it's best to plan for something you may not need versus needing something and you unfortunately failed to plan. So you're out here trying to figure out all of these legal issues on your own because you cannot afford an attorney. I typically like to do payment plans with people, but I can tell you that as of late, and when I say as of late, I mean within the last month or so, people are able to make the first payment, but they're not always able to make the second payment or third payment. However, the payment plan has been arranged. So I say that to say, if you are making payment plans, you have to stick to it. Because most of the time, most lawyers don't allow payment plans. So if you have a lawyer like myself who's willing to do a payment plan, I highly recommend that you try to do your best to stick to it, because ultimately you can end up not having a lawyer because you just don't have the means to pay it all. So having said that, I just urge anyone out there that is thinking about budgeting, is thinking about their numbers for their household. I know this is not what you may want to hear, especially during this time where gas prices are increasing, the market for the housing is crazy, but I say that to say we have insurance on our vehicle for a reason. Well, most of us should have it. Not everybody does. But I say that to say it's on there because one, is required by law. And yes, while the legal fees are not required, it's highly recommended, especially if something unforeseen happens. I cannot tell you, it just happened to me recently where someone is being hit with multiple cases, not just family law cases, but also criminal related as well. And this person didn't have any money. So now they're having to borrow monies from friends, take out loans, etc. And I think this can be avoided if we just try to think in advance about things that may come up. So attorney's fees should definitely be part of your budget. I hope that helps. Again, Shamika T. Askew with the Law Office of Shamika T. Askew, located in Brandon, Florida.